Hey everyone, this is Coach Mark and welcome to BCLC Online Guitar Lesson for Beginners. So today we're going to talk about the 8th note. And if you remember last videos were discussed about the whole note and the half note and how can apply it in the guitar. And for now, this is the 8th note. So 8th note has 1/2 count. So we're going to use another chord, so which is the A and then the E. So A and then the E with the strumming of 8th note pattern. So A. So this is the A. Your first finger in the 4th string 2nd fret, your second finger 3rd string 2nd fret, and then your 3rd finger 2nd string 2nd fret. And remember again, only 5 strings. So you hit only 5 strings. That one, the sound of A. So let's apply the 8th note. So this is the pattern of the 8th note. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So if you remember, you do it slowly. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, that's very simple, and then it's fun to use this strumming pattern. 8th note. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The next chord is the E. So E. Your first finger here in the 3rd string 1st fret. Your second finger here in the 5th string 2nd fret, and then your 3rd finger here in the 4th string 2nd fret. So you strums all strings in the E. This is the sound of E. Again, let's apply the 8th note. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so A here. Again, from the top, the A, and then let's transfer to the E. So A. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Transfer. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Again, so it's more fun if you do it faster. So this one, the fast version. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So that's all for now, and I hope you learned this video and enjoy watching, and thank you. Goodbye.